Hey, what's up, you guys? Now I'm at like different destination. It's called like Vangvieng. Vangvieng is like look pretty much similar with Vietnam. They are surrounded by like a big mountain and river in the middle as a typical resort place. I still don't have the hostel yet. I have to looking for food first and then figure out what I'm gonna do here. Guys, without internet I can't do anything, so I decided to buy like 10 gigabyte. I stay here like what, 5 more days? No, yeah. Just like that, guy, like $5 for 15 gigabyte. It's so fucking cheap. Why is so cheap? Oh my gosh, amazing. And also, all right, just like I sit here for food. Oh, look at that cat. She have a baby. Okay. Okay, guys, exactly the same. I just want papaya salad. I just love papaya salad. When it's hot, I just want something fresh. And yeah, guys, I'm dead. Alright, guys, I have papaya salad here. I got some sticky rice. It's really cute. I just put like in the bucket like this. Okay. Just make sure I not eat too much sticky rice because my stomach gonna get upset. Anyway, I have one more thing. I just ordered like deep fried pork. Oh, I forgot to tell them not put too spicy. Let's see. It look a little bit spicy. Pretty good. It tastes more natural than Thai. In Thailand, it's like different. Here is like, yeah, it's same food but different taste. Interesting. Alright, guys, I decided to walk 15 minutes with my 15-year-old back. I don't know. This is really peaceful, guys. It's not just only beautiful. The people itself is really charming, and also they are nice and smiling all the time. The point that I speak Thai, they understand what I'm talking about, and you know, well communicate. And also the food is pretty similar, but Thailand is better. สบายดี ตอนเช้าเปิดกี่โมง 7 โมงครึ่ง โอเคมาได้ถ้างั้นขอเช่าจักรยานครับ Alright, guys, once again, bike for like what, how much I paid, 50,000 keep, which is, I don't know, I have no idea how much it's anyway, it's cheap, and also, yeah, healthier. Just exercise. Just want to exercise. Ooh. Nice, guys, look at this. Oh my gosh, beautiful. Holy shit. Wow. Nice.
Just make your booking.
I just booked like.
Yeah. I'm gonna need 2 minutes because that room was occupied and because I didn't think no one was coming in. I just need to finish making the bed.
No problem.
Sorry.
No problem.
Sorry.
Take your time.
Okay, 2 minutes.
Yeah, it's really beautiful though. It's traditional house in Southeast Asia, like pretty much similar in Thailand or I don't know, around here. Yes. Yes. Let's go. Let's go. That was scary. It's cute. Wow, guys, look at that. Beautiful. You can see log rider. It seems like fun. Maybe I can check it out tomorrow. Whoa. You guys see it or not? It's not enough water. Yeah. Keep going. Keep going, dog. Not gonna lie, I never seen anything like this before. One hand put like this, you know, and the other hand just like pointing to something. Ready? No. Okay. Bye bye. Wow. Alright guys, so I stopped by like the dim sum place. Not gonna lie, it's really hot around here. I don't even feel hungry at all. Anyway, the dim sums look like, you know, not a lot, but you can taste like a little of everything. If you buy 5, that give you 1 for free. Bye. And I don't know, it's sauce. Okay. That. I don't want to drink alcohol tomorrow. I have a big day. I'm gonna go another adventures, and I don't want to drink right now. I feel tired and hot. If you drink right now, probably you die. Interesting topic. Alright guys, so let's start one by one. What we have here? I don't know. It just looked like eggs. I think it's crab meat. Yes, it's crab meat. It's quail eggs. Pigeon, black eggs, and also chicken feet. I love chicken feet. And tofu here, guys. It looks really hot. And also the shrimp dumplings. Alright, that is my dinner tonight. And yeah, 0%. Guys, so I want to show you this chicken feet. The taste is fine, guys, just like Celtin. It's most likely no meat in there, just bones. Whoever have like chicken fetish, I mean feet fetish, you must try. Ohayou gozaimasu. Guys, I'm here, the pickup truck. So today I booked the whole day tour. We're gonna do like a zip line, kayaking, the cave adventure, and just like lay down in the river, like Lagoon, Blue Lagoon, whatever. Anyway, seems like fun, huh?
At zip line, at 2 cave, and have run. After have run, we take.
Alright guys, so first activities of the day, zip line. Where is that? It's up north. And oh, that baby cow is so cute, guys. And this is my crew. We have people from Spain and UK here. Perfect. Zip line. Actually, it's my first time. It's really hot. Whew. Poquito frío. Good? My bad? Okay, thank you. Wait, let's begin. Oh my god, we're inside of floor. What's that? What's that? Oh my god. Oh, you're playing. He's playing. Guys, like really, this game is like take time to build this pure nature arts. Look at this. This is so fun. Yes. Yes. Like this. I mean, activities we're gonna go zip line. This is actually my first time ever, so we're gonna go there probably. Like that. That looks like fun. Wow. Wow, wow, wow.
And it's just like got arms done it, like yeah. The whole, not just prepared pieces of wood. Luckily, all you have to no, it's just all you have to do is just step off. Then you have to bring up and down. I don't mind
Yeah. This is my first time.
Is your first time?
Yeah.
And are you okay?
I'm okay. Yeah.
You know, yo lo hice la del Pirineo y en el...
Woohoo! Ready? Thank you. Hey, that's fun. Really fun. Really fun, guys. It's just half day. We still half day more. Hell yeah. Alright guys, are you guys ready? The next activity.
I'm a drop in the ocean, just a face in a crowd waiting to be seen. Big dreams set in motion. I wanna go where no one's ever been. I would climb the highest mountain. I would take the deepest sea, just so I could make you feel what I feel. Aiming for the sky. Yeah, I really thought we'd make it. Got my head in the clouds, but I can see the world from up here, from up here, from up here. The world from up here, from up here, from up here. Can see the world from up here. Go ahead, call me crazy. I always see the good in everyone. Blue-eyed and naive, wow. Way up here, I can see.
Oh my god, it's stronger. Guys, what's down here? What's down here? Oh my god. Yeah. Wait. What her name? What her name again? What her name? Sammy. Hey Sammy, what's up girl? As long as you stand right here, it's gonna get more scary. You have to go right away. Go, let's go right away. You wanna go together?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do it.
Can you hold my hat?
Of course.
我拉着你手一起跳。
Woo! Ready?
然后你捞我哈。
Wait. One. Look away. Don't look down. Ready? Ready?
Ready?
1, 2, go. That's really brave. Amazing.
I actually didn't you can sorry, no time.
That's good.